full of cheer, smiling big from ear to ear. Blue elephant loves to splash, playing in the pond with a splash, splash, splash. Pink elephant holds a balloon, dancing round and singing a tune. Green elephant by a tree, waving its trunk so happily. White elephant in the sky, twinkling stars are floating by. Brown elephant on the ground, stomping feet with a thumping sound. Purple elephant dressed with flowers, skipping around for hours and hours. Black elephant in the night, glowing gently in moonlight. Yellow elephant near a hut, wiggling its ears with a happy strut. Red elephant, where is he? Found him hiding behind a tree. Colors, colors, one by one, elephants playing, having fun. Count them, sing them, dance along. Colors make us all so strong. Colors, man, I was so strong.